I saw 2 different people on this call that are blowing their numbers out. They're probably asking this a lot. When you say blank, can you give me a specific example? Far too often in sales, like I'll reach out to Stacy and say, yeah, I wanted to reach out to you, Stacy, because we're doing an office move with our warehouse there in San Antonio, and we really want to make sure that this move goes well, right? Stacy has a choice. He can go, okay, yeah, let me get you the quote. I'll send you some software. When you say you want to make sure it goes well, can you give me a specific example? Right? Now, all of a sudden, he's going to start to uncover what? All the stuff that's motivating them. Nobody, unless they have a disability psychologically, people don't normally what do they call it? Open the kimono, right? They don't unload on you unless they're really lonely. They're not going to unload on you. And if they are really lonely, they're not going to unload on you on the stuff that you need to close a deal. They're going to complain about their spouse. It's not going to help you sell anything. So when you say you guys want to collect more invoices, can you give me a specific example of what's going on? When you say you need your team to have a mobile app, can you give me a specific example? We don't ask that question in sales. Why? Here's why. We think we have to be the smartest person in the room. And if I sell custom developed apps, right? Why would I ever ask somebody, can you give me a specific example of why you need an app? Because I'm afraid that they're going to go, I don't need an app, right? It's not going to happen. Get them to communicate why. Get them to give you a specific example. Our people in the field, man, they're not reporting stuff. Make sure you're doing that. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.